So you want this smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. Start by applying the transform effect to your text layer. At around 5 seconds, add a keyframe for position. Now move the playhead to the start and drag your text downward like this. Right-click the first keyframe and set it to ease in. Then right-click the second keyframe and set it to ease out. Open the position property and adjust the graph to look like this. Next, move the playhead to the second keyframe by clicking here and create a keyframe for opacity at 100%. Go back to the beginning, set the opacity to 0% and apply ease in and ease out to those keyframes too. Open opacity and adjust the graph like this. Make sure to uncheck Use Composition's shutter angle and set the shutter angle to 360 for smooth motion blur. Now search for crop in the effects panel and apply it to your text. Duplicate your text layer for however many words you have. For each layer, use the crop effect to reveal only one word. Repeat this for every word. Finally, offset each layer slightly so they appear one after another. And that's it, you're done. Subscribe.